परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकल सह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
Yes, please have a seat. Okay, you tell yourself in brief.
Myself Priyanka Ananda Kamble. I am from Kolus. I have completed my graduation in BSc Physics from ACS College Kolus. I have completed computer courses, computer language in Python, Tally plus GST, as well as typing. I have completed 6 days Mahindra's training, Mahindra company in Pune. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and reading technical books. My strength is positive thinking and self-motivated person.
Okay, now I am asking some technical questions on the topic oscillator. Who will define the oscillator?
The oscillator is electronic device which produce AC voltage with supply DC voltage.
What are the types of the oscillator?
There are 2 types of oscillator. First is sinusoidal oscillator and second is non-sinusoidal oscillator.
Okay, what are the example of sinusoidal oscillator?
The example of sinusoidal oscillator, phase shift oscillator, Colpett oscillator, crystal oscillator, and nuance bridge oscillator.
An example of non-sinusoidal oscillator?
The example of non-sinusoidal oscillator, triangular oscillator, voltage sweep generator using UJT, unstable multivariate, sawtooth oscillator.
What is phase shift oscillator?
It is a sinusoidal oscillator. Consists 3 equal resistance and 3 equal capacitors.
What is difference between Colpett oscillator and crystal oscillator?
Frequency of Colpett oscillator depends on temperature, and frequency of crystal oscillator it depends on temperature.
This tank circuit?
It is a parallel combination of inductance and capacitors.
Okay. What is the frequency relation for the tank circuit?
1 divided by 2 pi root NC.
Okay. Define the frequency.
The number of oscillation in 1 second.
Okay. Who will define the time period?
Time required to complete 1 oscillator.
Okay. What is the maximum frequency produced by the phase shift oscillator?
It is a 1 megahertz.
Can we use the Colpett oscillator in broadcasting station or TV relay station?
No.
Why?
Frequency of the Colpett oscillator depends on temperature, and frequency of crystal oscillator is independent of temperature.
So which transmitter, which oscillator is used in the broadcasting and TV relay station?
Crystal oscillation.
Okay, thank you.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक ऑटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ऑटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर सिस्टीम शाळा कॉलेजसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त. उत्पादक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. फ्री डेमोसाठी संपर्क 98 222 41 255.